I happen to really love tea. I love the flavor of tea. It's very delicious. And as you guys remembered, I did a tea fruit herbal tea fruit combination before. The last time I used a different herb, and this time I'm going to use the parsley from my porch garden. Now this parsley I grew from seed, so it's very fresh, and like I said, you can do this yourself from seed. And so see how it flourished. I cut pieces off, and we're gonna go make some tea. Let's go do that. So I'm gonna start off with showing you some of the clodiuses that I had to bring in the house because it had gotten too cold in Chicago. Clodiuses don't like to be in weather that's actually below 60. So it's in the 50s in Chicago. So I want to start off with showing you that. Then I want to make my way over to my preparation of tea. I'm back at it again. I prepared some tea using some herbs before, and so now I'm going to be using from my garden this parsley that is really good in tea. It helps to relax your nerves and calm you down. And I'm one that uses a kind of a tea soup that I prepare together. And as you can see, I have actually cut up already some of my lime. I have also cut up some of my lemon. I have also cut up some pear, and you can use any fruit that you would want to. And I like the nectarines in mine, and actually get some of these dry Mediterranean apricots that I like to put in my tea, which is really delicious, and you will really enjoy this. I also forgot to mention that I also cut up ginger in my tea. Ginger is really good for bringing down inflammation. So I'm a person that really appreciates herbs. Now the tea I'm going to use today is a tea, and you can use any tea you want, but this particular one has ginger and lemon in it, and I don't really always taste the lemon or lime flavor as strong in it. So I like to add my own ingredients. And so I heated up my tea, my water, and I have all of these ingredients. I chose to use my glass that I purchased from Amazon, and I liked it because it has France, picture France on it, Paris, and just some really nice artwork on it. And I'm an artist, so I really do like artwork. And so I'm going to put these things together and be right back with you. And voila, you have your tea. I call it a tea soup, tea vegetables and herb soup. You can, use your spoon to get it out, or you can just drink. And the beauty of it is you can eat all of the stuff that's in there if you want to. So as I'm drinking, I usually will eat some of the things, like some of the orange, some of the apricot. I don't always eat the ginger, but I like ginger. I like the way it tastes. So I kind of keep that in for the second serving. So if you want to enjoy you a nice cup of tea, my herb fruit tea is really good. This time I used parsley from my garden. So you be blessed. This is Lady La Gata. I'm out.